Like, I need a script for the intro. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't posted in a little while. I've been very busy with all my gaming and everything my manager has been doing. So I'm a official 9-year-old makeup artist. So today we're gonna be using everything my manager has given me and see if we can be Jaclyn Hill #2. But 9 years old. If you want to learn some great makeup skills, stay tuned and watch till the end and like and subscribe this video. Subscribe to this video. My channel. So we're gonna zoom you in just so you can in depth watch my beautiful face get transformed so it can be even more beautiful. So first we're gonna be using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. Great product, worth the price, recommend it. So this palette is dedicated to all my loving subscribers. So that's great. I'm gonna be using this brush, I don't even know. So I'm gonna go with my skin tone, basically like a light type. So I don't know what I'm doing. Well, I know what I'm doing. I'm a professional. 9-year-old. Okay, so that's great. Let me just take off my glasses, just be a little safe. I think I know what I'm doing. Gotta get the nose. And then you gotta get the forehead because you don't want that glare when you're walking outside. So we gotta smooth it out. And on the nose right here. So you just grab 2 fingers, just smooth it out. Then when you're done that, smooth it out around your eyes, just so you don't look like a hobo. And I think should be good to go. So got some concealer on my hands. So now we're gonna go to this Jaclyn Hill palette and use some sparkly. I think this is good, I don't know. Okay, so then the other side. So I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette just to get some sparkle really into my face and to really just stand out of the crowd, you know? So then whenever I walk out, everyone's just stunned. So I'm gonna lift up my hair. And that should be good. Okay. So when you're done with this, you're gonna close your palette or whatever palette you're actually using. And right now, we're just gonna use this other palette, the Morphe Brushes palette. I think personally this is one of my favorites besides the Jaclyn Hill palette. This one is just so great and it's beautiful. I can't even just express it, it's so good. I'm just gonna use this one so we can just get a little pop right here. And I am going to be using some right here. And a little right here. This is just great. Great palette, recommend it. Okay, great. Just absolutely wonderful. So after you're done with this palette, we're gonna go on to matte bronzer. It just makes your face look beautiful. And right now I'm looking stunning. Right here I can tell that I didn't. That's not good. I'm gonna stop, guys. But it's okay because I'm a professional. Remember that? Yeah, we're amazing and we're gonna do everything just right. You gotta put some right here on your mustache if you have one. Got my mustache right here, my non-existing one. And I think we're pretty good on that. We're gonna grab our beauty blender and just pat everything that we've done right now. Then next you're gonna grab your mascara and we're gonna just do phenomenal on this. I'm gonna grab my bronzer again just so I have a little mirror to guide myself. Mascara. Perfect. Right now, just to get my eyes a little dark, oh, my eyelashes just a little dark. I'm just gonna, beautiful. Saw this on YouTube, thought it would be great. Didn't work out like the people on YouTube did it. You're trying to get that streak, but that's fine. So after you've done your mascara, you can close it up. I did not do that well. It's fine, we'll cover it up with eyeshadow. But listen, I need a wet napkin so I can just take the mascara off of my eye. Sorry guys for the holding. 5-yard penalty, automatic first down. We're doing great, guys. If you're following along, leave a like on this video if you're loving that and you're LOLing. Okay. Do you have some witch hazel on you? So if you did what I did on accident, it's fine. We'll just cover it up with foundation and you're gonna be beautiful again. Not that you're not beautiful or not, but I'm a little prettier right now. Just beautiful. Ew. So after this, we're gonna grab the same foundation you use and you're just gonna spray a little bit. Cover your, oh yeah, that's a hack, guys. If you got some mascara that on your eye, then you just grab some foundation. You will just put it under your eye. You will need now to grab your beauty blender and just pat it all in. We got a little, then you're gonna grab your beauty blender and just blend it all in. After you have done that, you'll close your eyes. We need a little foundation. And then you'll beauty blend it all. Okay, now that I have done all the steps and I have take care of my incidental thing, you're now just gonna grab your beauty blender and just try to blend it all in, because if you don't blend it all in, it will just look like all smudgy and clumped together, and you don't want that kind of look. So after you've done that, you're gonna grab your Fenty Beauty. You're gonna and you put it right there just to get a little shine right there. Sorry for this look. So you're just gonna, I have this one, so I'm gonna just go one color, two color. So now after this, I'm going to grab some eyeshadow and just close my eyes and hope for the best. You can honestly just wear this to work and people say, where did you learn this? And you're gonna say, from this awesome 9-year-old person from Seba's Corner. And see, it looks a little smudgy. You're just gonna... Beauty blenders are a real lifesaver. When you did something wrong, I got some on my nose. I got some on my nose. I want to see the shot like of me with my eyes closed. Does it look good? I feel like I did a really bad job. I honestly look like James Charles right now, honestly. Like, boy, who that? I'm gonna grab some, whatever, I forgot what it's called. So we're gonna be using some Anastasia for my eyebrows. Eyebrows. This is just great. So grab some and just. I'm right now currently doing some eyebrows using this brush, and right now I am going to do the other eyebrow. It's fun to do in the morning and then you just look great. So when you're done with that, you're done. I already did foundation, we did the eyebrow thingamajiggy. What is there? Concealer. So, wait, what do you do? So I'm gonna be using some concealer just to I actually am not gonna use concealer, so bleep that out. We're just gonna fix it up. And when you've done your eyelashes, you are done. So right now this is the complete look. Beautiful. I think it's just absolutely stunning. Did a really good job, I feel like, on my eyebrows, my eyes. Beautiful. Everything's spread out. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Yeah, see you next video. Bye.